All right, hello my friends at home. Hello my friends in class. For this lesson, you're going to need something. In the lesson, it called it hide zero cards. We don't really have these hide zero cards. There's a lot of different materials that are not included in our curriculum. So what I want you to do, moms, dads at home, if you have a sticky notepad, that's fine. If you have some note cards, that's fine. Just go ahead and write the teen numbers from 13 all the way up to 19 on just some note cards or a sticky note. If you don't have those things, just tear up a couple little pieces of paper into squares, and that works too. Okay, my friends, you will also need one that says 10. You will also need some little cards. I made mine a different color. You don't have to, but if you have a different color paper, that's nice, that are a little bit skinnier with just the 1 through 9 on them. So I've got a big card with the 10, and I just cut out some little skinnier cards with 1 through 9 on them. You can have your child do this part as well. This is a really nice fluency activity where they go from 1 to 9. They have to write all their numbers nicely, and then they can cut them up as well. Okay, my friends. So the other day, we have been practicing splitting up teen numbers into what?
Numbers.
We've been splitting them into numbers. What do we call it when we split something up into its parts, right? Part, whole. Everybody say that. Part, whole. So what we are going to do today is I'm going to give us a teen number, and we are going to try to do this just like we have been doing. 10 in one pile, girls. Reagan, come sit over here, please. And the other number in the other pile. So my friends, let's start with this one. If I were to give us a teen number of 14, my friends, I'm actually going to put it up here. I'm going to put 14 at the top right there. I want to count out the different parts of this number. So the first part should be how many?
10.
If our number is 14, yep, the first number we want is 10. What's going to go over here on the other side?
4.
Ooh, that was easy. Let's get the 4. Let's put it over on the other side. Are 10 and 4 more 14?
Yes.
Let's try it with some beans. Okay, Daniel, will you please count out 10 of those beans for me? Reagan, will you please count out 4 of the red beans for me?
JB, move your foot. JB, move your foot, please.
4, 5, 6.
You got your 4, Reagan?
7,
So I'm going to take Reagan's 4.
8.
I'm going to put it up here. I'm going to erase the number right now.
I have 10
Thank you. Where's the 10? In here or right there?
right here.
Okay, I'm going to take your 10. And I'm going to put them in here with them. Let's count them up and see if they were right, my friends. Ready? 1,
2, 3, 4.
Good morning,
5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10. Now I want us to count. Let's count on from 10 and see how many more we have. Ready? 11,
12,
13, 14. So we put that in 2 different parts. I'm going to take these numbers away now too. I'm going to put them down here. How many goes in this side, my friends? What's in the first part?
10.
Let's move those 10 beans right over here. How many goes into the next part?
4.
10 and 4 is...
14.
So that is what we are using these hide zero cards for, my friends. It's a chance for us to just move it over. We had 10 and 4, but when we put them together...
It's 14.
Did that work?
Yes.
It worked. Okay, let's try another one. All right, JB, will you please count out 10 beans for me?
Yes.
Why am I having him count 10? I didn't even get a teen number yet. How come I'm having him count 10 beans already? What do you think, Daniel?
So
I haven't even given him a number.
So they can finish what number they do, they can do it.
But why did I have him count 10 already before I haven't drawn any other number yet. I'm going to give us another number a teen number, but I haven't done it yet. How come he's doing 10 already, Jazz?
10.
Does anybody have any ideas?
No.
What is this part always, always, always?
Shark.
No, we're not talking about shapes. What is in this part? How
10.
many? It's always
10.
10. So can I have him count out 10 beans even though I don't know what number we're going to do next?
Yes.
Because we're always going to do 10. It's a teen number. So we're splitting apart the 10 and how many is extra. Okay, I'm just going to pick one out of here. All right, let's see here. Where are my other ones? Jazzy, please get us how many extra? We need 10 and how many more?
7.
So how many beans should Jazz count out?
7.
Okay, let's get the 10 in here. Thank you, JB. And then Jazz, when you get the 7 beans, put them in here too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, put them in here. Very nice. Okay, my friends, let's count it up. There's 10 beans. Let's count on. 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
is that 17?
Yes.
Okay, let's move the beans where they should go. What goes in the first spot?
10.
Didn't look like 10. Okay, how many are there?
10.
How many was in the second one?
7.
Let's see if we can find that card. A 7. Okay, Jason, can you put these together for us so that it makes 17? 10 and 7 make?
17.
That's 107. Can you make 17? That's just 7. Can you make 17? Who can help JC on?
Me.
All right. Oh, scooch back. Okay, Jazzy's going to help JC on. How can we... Is 1, 7, 17?
Yep.
Nice. So we just put those together. 10 and 7 is...
17.
It's 17, my friends. Let's try one more. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to put these beads back. Miss Ava, please count out 10 beans for us of the white beans. Jason, let's do a new one. This is our number. So Jason, count out how many red ones do we need? We're going to have 10 white ones. How many red beans do we need? Tell us. Tell us the number, sweetheart.
16.
16 red beads? Everybody scooch back 2 scooches. We're getting way too far in. If you're not counting beans, you need to scooch back. So we've got the 10. How many extra do we need?
6.
So count that many out in the red beans. Crisscross access.
6.
Okay, put them up there with the other ones. Okay, my friends, let's count it up. Make sure that we did it right. How many white ones were there? 10. Let's count on.
10.
11.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Why are you guys still counting? Oops, let's try and count them again. Ready? 10.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Yes, you stopped. Okay, so let's put how many over here?
16.
Did I put 16 in there? 6. Let's see here. So let's put that number. We've got 6. How many over here, Jason? Where did I put that card? Are you sitting on it?
I'm not sitting on it.
Where did our 10 card go? There it is.
9, 10.
So what number should we put there?
10.
Okay, Jason, how are we going to turn this into 16? 10 and 6 is?
16.
It's 16, my friends. So that is what we are going to do. We are going to continue practicing using. If you have the cards at home, go ahead and practice using those. If you don't, we are just going to practice using our number bonds, my friends. So 10 is what? 10 and what equals 10? This one's trying to trick you. 10 and how many more equals 10?
1 and a 0.
Let's try this one. 10 and 1 is what?
10.
What's 10 and 1 more, my friends? This is
11.
Oh, this is not rocket science. We just did it. 10 and 2 more is what?
Okay. 11.
Okay, let's try it again. All right, my friends, let's try this again. Okay, everybody. Please stop. That's why you're not getting it, because you're just over here singing. Thank you. My friends, let's try this again. Okay, 10 and, Miss Pepper's going to count this time. There's 10 white beads. Count on, my friends. Ready?
11, 12,
What number did I just do?
12.
What does 12 look like?
1 and a 0.
It's a 1 and a 2. That's what 12 looks like. How can we separate that out into how many?
So 10 goes on this side and 12 goes on this side.
10 goes on this side and a
2.
2 goes on the other side. 10 and how many more
2
equals what?
12.
So when we're doing it on our homework sheet, my friends, when you see 10 and 2 more,
12.
that's pretty easy. What about 10 and 3 more?
13.
10 and 4 more?
14.
10 and 5 more?
15.
This one, it gave you some tens frames, so you have to count them instead of the numbers. Down here, it gave you 10 and 6 more is what?
16.
Can you separate that into its parts? How can we separate that 16
10
out?
goes on that side and 6 goes on that side.
Oh, you guys are getting this. Okay, so that is what we are going to work on today. This is the first day that we've done this, so if you are having a hard time, it's okay. Moms and dads can help you with these. Number bonds can be confusing, so just make sure that the number that you're looking for is at the top. You're separating it out into part, part, whole, part, part, whole. Okay, everybody at home, we will see you next time. If you have any questions about the number bonds, the cards, please give me a call. And if you need something like that, we could probably make it for you. But it's really just kind of some pieces of paper. All right, friends, say goodbye. We'll see you next time.